Let's dive into Deckoholic in greater detail today. I'll walk you through an existing video that I recorded using their extension, and later, auto-edited with their AI. This is what the editor looks like. Over here, you have your video. Below the video, you'll find different timelines for zoom, AI avatars, and elements like text, blur, and callouts. Now, we're in the script section. This video has already been processed, and one of the coolest features is that you can navigate through the progress bar just by clicking on any of the words from the script. It's incredibly handy for navigating through your video. Say you want to add some effects around a part of the script, like zoom or callouts or blur. It becomes super easy. Another feature I really like is the zoom function. For example, I wanted to highlight a particular part, which I've done by adding a zoom segment. With this slate, you can position your zoom wherever you want. You can decide the speed of the zoom and also the intensity. This seemed perfect to me, and I wanted it somewhere in the middle. As I play the video, you'll see that the zoom enters smoothly and stays for the length of the zoom segment. You might have noticed how the avatar disappeared because I applied an avatar segment and then turned it off. This is very handy when you want people to focus on the content and not the avatar. It plays really well. You can preview the avatar if you generate it during the preview. Now, let's talk about callouts. There are different elements like titles, callouts, and blur. This is a callout. You can position these callouts wherever you want. Change their color, text color, even the callout color. As you can see, I'm using green here. You can use bold and italic. Basic formatting options are available, and whatever changes you make, when you export the video, the exact same changes will apply. It's very handy to add information like this. Another important feature is the blur function. You'll notice here I've added a blur segment on the element's timeline. It's very helpful, say, when you're showing a login process and you enter your password, which you don't want to expose. Adding blur is really helpful. We've discussed elements, AI avatars, and zoom already. Then we have branding. You can have an intro slide and an outro slide. You can change the color of the slide and the text color. You can add your logo. Same with the outro. You can add a CTA. You can edit the text and completely format these intro and outro slides. When you export it, they'll be beautifully added to your video. There are AI voiceovers available before you process your video. You can preview the different voiceovers they have. You can even do cross-translation. Say English isn't your first language, or vice versa. You can record in your language and then output in a different language. Then we have documents. Generally, there's a Generate Document button. All you need to do is click on it, and the entire document gets created. The document is completely editable. For example, if the spelling is wrong, you can change it and save changes. Wherever you see formatting issues, you can change those. Screenshots are added at the right time by the AI, automatically. You don't need to do anything. This entire document gets created in under 60 seconds. You have the option to format it here. You can even hyperlink text, among other things. Then you can export this as a PDF, Word, or HTML. By default, the document is private. You can make it public and share this link with your stakeholders and customers. If you later decide to make it private, you can just make it private again. We'll talk about more features in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you.